Hey everybody, Dave Moorhead here. Today we're going to make vegan chocolate brownies with walnuts and sweet potatoes. Delicious. There are a lot of recipes for vegan chocolate brownies online, but a lot of them look too complicated or use too many ingredients. So I chose the one that has the least amount of ingredients that will be the quickest to make. For this one, you're only going to need sweet potatoes, agave, cocoa powder, almond butter, and walnuts. And that's it. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Poke holes in the sweet potatoes using a fork. Put the sweet potatoes in a microwave-safe baking dish and cook for 4 minutes. Then turn them over and cook for another 4 minutes. You want the inside of the sweet potato to be soft so you can scoop it out with a spoon. Once the sweet potatoes have cooled a little bit, cut them down the middle with a knife. Scoop out the inside of the sweet potato with a spoon and put it in a bowl. Mash the sweet potato in the bowl to ensure that there are no lumps. In a large bowl, whisk the almond butter and agave together. Then add the cocoa powder and the mashed sweet potato. Stir to combine all the ingredients well. If you see any large chunks of sweet potato left, try to mash it down with a fork. If you can't mash a lump down, then just take it out. We don't want any sweet potato lumps in the brownies. Now we're going to add the walnuts. Break up the walnuts with your fingers as you're adding them to the mix. I didn't measure, I think I used about a half a cup. Use an oven-safe baking dish and spray the bottom and sides of it with some oil. This will prevent our brownies from sticking to the dish after we bake them. Now put the brownie mix in the dish and make sure that it's evenly spread out throughout the dish. Bake the brownies for about 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let the brownies cool before you cut them into smaller pieces, otherwise they will fall apart. Congrats! You just made vegan chocolate brownies! Please let me know in the comments if you try this recipe. If you would like to see a lot more vegan recipes, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bon appetit!